गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। मैं संदीप अग्रवाल फ्रॉम इमानुअल स्कूल शाहपुरा। टुडे वी विल स्टडी ऑफ ए मैथमेटिक्स of class 10th of a RBC and a introduction of numbers. Introduction of a numbers. We will study first a natural numbers. Natural numbers is denoted by n. N is a notation, representation, symbol of a natural numbers. It starts from 1 to infinite. From a 1 to infinite. 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Up to infinite. Infinite is a undefined value. Infinite is a undefined value. Next whole numbers. Next whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented by W. Whole numbers are represented by W. It starts from 0 to infinite. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. From start 0 to infinite, it's called whole numbers. It's called whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. But all whole numbers are not natural numbers. But whole numbers are not natural numbers, because we know that natural numbers start from 1 to infinite. It is set is in the satisfy of a whole numbers 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Then it is a natural numbers. But 0 is in the whole number. It is not represent in the natural numbers. It is not represent in the natural numbers. Then we can say about it all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Are not natural numbers. Number third, integers. Number third, integers. It is represented by I or Z. I or Z. But Z is a universal symbol. Then we use the Z of integers. It is started from minus infinite to plus infinite. Minus infinite to plus infinite. The collection of negative and positive numbers. The collection of a negative and positive numbers is called integers. It's called integers. Negative and positive numbers is called integers. Next rational numbers. Next rational numbers. It is the fourth number. Rational number is represented by Q. Rational number is represented by Q, whose numbers are represented in the P by Q form. Whose numbers are represented in a P by Q form. But Q is not equals to 0. But Q is not equals to 0. It is not equals to, where P is a numerator. P is a numerator and Q is a denominator. And Q is a denominator. We can say in other definition, whose numbers are represented in the numerator and denominator. Whose numbers are represented in a numerator and denominator, then it is called rational numbers. Then it is called rational numbers. Example: 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, minus 5 upon 6, 0, 1, 2, minus 5, 2.3, 3.45, 5.666, 2.34343434, and so on. These numbers are rational numbers. These numbers are rational numbers. Here in the denominator form is not a 0. In the denominator form is not a 0, so it is a rational number. but 0 in the denominator 1, 2, 3. If 0 is divided by any number, if 0 is divided by any number, then we get 0. Then we get 0. 1 upon 1, 2 upon 1. Then we can say, we can write in the denominator of any number always 1. Always 1. 5.6666 and so on. It is a non-terminating number. It is a non-terminating but repeating. Non-terminating but repeating number. Similarly, 2.343434 is a non-terminating but repeating number. Then we can say the decimal expansion of a number, non-terminating but repeating. Non-terminating but repeating, then it is a rational number. Then it is a rational number. Irrational numbers. Number 5 है irrational numbers. It is denoted by q dash or q complement qc. Q dash or qc. We can say it is a complement of rational numbers. It is a complement of a rational numbers. Number first है root positive but a not perfect square number is called a irrational number. Root positive numbers but a not perfect square is called a irrational number. And non-terminating non-repeating numbers, non-terminating non-repeating numbers are called irrational numbers. Other define is whose numbers are not in the form of p by q form. Whose numbers are not in the form of a p by q form is called irrational numbers. Is called irrational numbers. Example, root 1. 1 of root is 1. Then root 1 is not a irrational number. Root 1 is not a irrational number because 1 is a perfect square. Because 1 is a perfect square, then we get the value of a root 1 is 1. Then we multiply the number 1 into 1 is equal to 1. किसी भी नंबर को हम यदि मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 1 आता है या 2 आता है, उसी वही नंबर आता है, तो क्या होगा अपना, वो इरेशनल नंबर नहीं होता है. रूट 2, रूट 3, रूट 5 एंड सो ऑन. 2.30, 3, 00, 3 times 0 and so on. It is a non-terminating, non-repeating because 2.3 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, increasing the value of 0. Then it is a non-terminating, non-repeating numbers. Non-terminating, non-repeating numbers. 5.64, 644, 6 3 times 4 and so on. Next real numbers. Next real numbers, the collection of a rational and irrational numbers. The collection of a rational and irrational numbers is called a real numbers. Is called a real numbers. Rational and real numbers. Rational and irrational numbers is called a real numbers. Is called a real numbers. Example, 2/3 minus 5/6, 0, 1, 2, 2.5, 12.56, 5.777 and so on. Root 2, root 3, root 5, 2.30, 300, 3 times 0. These numbers are irrational numbers and these numbers are rational numbers. Then we can say rational numbers and irrational numbers is called real numbers. It's called a real numbers. Learn it and write it.